Increasing the weekly limit on Zelle is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To increase your weekly limit on Zelle, follow these steps based on your situation. Using Zelle through your bank if your bank or credit union supports Zelle. You can contact them to get a higher limit. Limits vary from bank to bank, so check with your specific financial institution. Some banks may increase your limits based on factors like how long you've been a customer. For example, Citibank doubles the limit for customers who've been with them over 90 days, going from $1,000 per day and $5,000 per month to $2,000 per day and $10,000 per month. Check your bank's online banking portal. Some banks allow you to manage your transaction limits through their online platforms. Look for any settings related to Zelle or peer-to-peer payments. To increase the mobile banking app, if your bank has a mobile banking app, check if there are options within the app to adjust transaction limits for Zelle. Then, consider security implications. Understanding that increasing transaction limits may have security implications. Banks often set limits to protect against fraud, and they may evaluate requests based on various factors.